Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred dey show us the latest update for Ekenwan Road. You know say Godwin Obaseki, the Edo State governor, don award the contract give contractor make dem tie Ekenwan Road. This na the latest update now wey Apostle Alfred Uyinosa dey show us. So enjoy the video.
Yeah, good afternoon everybody. Na Ekenwan Road na we dey so. We say we'll carry our satellite come view the ongoing dualization of the Ekenwan Road when Governor Obaseki carry for head like marriage project. I know say marriage project now project when we say person no dey sleep. Morning, afternoon and night you go to think about the project. As we reach here so we can say the update when we give una earlier before now say work don't start for here and the work no pause and the work continue. And at the same so now we dey front of University of Benin for Kenwa campus. Apostle dey here with me.
Now well done though. Talk as it be. Now well done.
All right. When I see the project, truly speaking, for those of us when they live for this road before, this area, we could know say this road when we drive past like this, na gallop, so gallop, na in day here before. But right now, they don't already peel and come out. They ready to see how they fit do the necessary secondary constructions such as gutters, the dualization before they will come lay the asphalt fully as the primary aim of the project. We say we will see drive enter, we carry our torchlight, our bicycle, reach front as well. And for us, we go congratulate the governor. Why? Because he don't swing into action very fast. We, in as much as say we trust him well, but we expect say making rest small.
Rest waiting.
I mean rest the.
I beg, not just stop and
no sir.
Rest.
The election is stressful.
I beg forget that thing. Not be we are ready for.
I understand sir.
We not be rest. Don't say that.
Oh yeah, Obaseki they say me no rest. Oh yeah, come out. Apostle say me you no rest too. Apostle say me you come out. When I say rest, okay, Texas Main Road need attention now. Okay, we go carry our torchlight, reach that area too. Obaseki you dey hear am so. People for Texas Main Road.
Then they come, and the contractor that show me say they now stage by stage, so they'll see reach Texas Main Road.
Apostle.
Yes.
The contractor assure you, Apostle.
Yes. When the last time when I come this area, because the same people they handle the project.
Okay.
Yes.
So now don't hear so. So you need to exercise patience a little bit. The contractor, blessing in they handle the same area as well. So we hope that as soon as they finish this one.
No, they're not going to finish here. Now just they move material from stage to stage.
Okay.
As here they go on, they'll still move on that material to Testament Road. Because they don't say also move material, go Campionia for GROA.
Okay, so just keep your mind at rest. And the wait and see governor. The governor when they do work, when they visit the site. Hell!
Oh, wow.
This is this is Ekenwan Road, Utubu.
No, we never reach Utubu.
No, she dey ask. I say this road.
No, this is Ekenwan Road.
Ekenwan Road. Now Ekenwan Road be this. Ekenwan Road be this. So the governor when they do projects and not they shout up and down for television.
Because, they give out to competent contractor.
Wow.
If you don't do well, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow.
So as you can see, before now, the hold up when they tie for here by this time.
The hold up don't tie up. So soon the area now wait for the tie up.
No, it don't they open small.
That's true.
It don't they open why? Because they don't they open the road. Now they see them so. So now this now all the work where they want to do so. When they drive, they go front where the main project they. Okay, all this one small work. Maybe say the main project, once they finish the main project, they'll enter this place to finish it once and for all. So now Ekenwa Road be this. I believe say the people of Ekenwa Beledo the street now small. Why? Because for once
Get listening, governor.
now won't enjoy the dividends of
democracy.
Why? Because I talk about before say I always laugh my friend when they stay here before. So boy for who now they vote for? Man I don't verse when I don't say for Nigeria. Now we vote for now you go work for you. That's the truth.
Wow,
For
they've
Nigeria.
gone far here.
Okay.
They've gone far. They've gone far.
Yes, so Ambassador Gladys made a clear road for your governor.
Yeah, clear road, they're not rich.
And our governor.
They go learn you thing. Oh boy, I see walk. The last one I reached here, they do this underground drainage. They don't cover that.
So they don't finish underground.
They don't finish
They
it there.
see
They don't finish it. They don't move on this side now.
So
Wow.
you can see the project.
This is a Ekenwa Road. This is a Ekenwa Road. Yeah. I mean, when I see this other side. The work is going. Yeah. All that the governor need now is our encouragement, prayer, and massive support to continue all these massive projects. And that's why we are going to fight anybody that want to cause unnecessary distraction. Tribunal case, die natural death. So we don't forget.
Okay, Apostle, you get one question here by Peter Okonji.
Okay, what
Say Apostle, Benin Technical Road, unko.
They won't start them now. Because I also get in touch with the contractor. They won't start them now.
So, Sir Peter, please exercise patience with us. The governor is at work. All we need is unanimous support. Unanimous support and prayers. I know say everything will work out fine. They need to work fast before the rain starts. Very true. Very true. And we waited the season. I not to say this contractor, I not say they will do Christmas.
We don't hold the rain, no. We don't hold rain.
I not to say this contractor will do Christmas.
We don't hold the rain. If I want to start another 100-day fasting and prayer to hold the rain.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We'll hold the rain. Down at the Ocean Power line, when they draw the goal.
To be honest,
Yeah,
I don't understand.
also
I don't understand this social power
Uh-huh.
project. As in for the very first time, I dey see when project get time.
This one and then they go gilly now.
Now they see this wire, this pole, this wire.
That's the Ocean Power line.
This wire, this 3 wire. So now the Ocean power plant is this one.
It's going straight to Gilly now. The Gilly ship.
I don't understand this project. The way they take put energy for the anywhere you see, I go, you go. They see the poles. The poles. They don't set.
GRA area, they are matter they go.
I think this is quite commendable. Now they see the work.
They see the.
Now they see the work.
Wow.
If Obaseki finish this work, Europe road will learn.
I bet make become president, make give a presidency and not a shot. We don't want politicians again. We need technocrats to manage our resources.
Yeah, President asked now, Gbiyoko road with this.
Yes, this one I came out. We are going to Gbiyoko Road now.
This is
You go see am.
Ekenwa road.
Yes. So we'll soon reach Ewotubu Junction now. And this one I know less hotel, you know. If you want to do it, if you think you have power, try government, you go collect. So
So you can see the project.
it's going well. It's going well.
All this 2K.
2K. They need orientation. Oh. In fact, they all need to go for brain check examiner. They don't go far.
The road don't they open.
What you will do, eh? We want to enter Iwotubu Market Road now. Okay, no. More fair go. Okay, we enter Iwotubu Market Road. So by the time they come, we'll come this side. So this one Iwotubu Market Road now. You know.
My friend street with this so.
My friend street with this.
My friend area with this so. Obaseki.
Wow. Okay, because last time when I come, the contractor tell me say they put gutter. Yeah, that's the gutter now. Yeah. The gutter is all good.
This area be this like no.
Yes, now. Which I be no. Yes, now. What do you mean? See, I see the gutter they go. This is a Iwotubu Market Road now. So.
You see, ask question. Ambassador Gladys Williams.
Yeah.
They say, yeah, I think she's the one. Hold on. Yes. Say, what about the lighting of the major streets?
It's going. It's gradually. They are connecting already. Muna dey patient. Make una your day patient.
Now this road will drive smooth like this.
Before I call.
No.
Yes. We have been. No.
Yeah?
Yes.
This road.
Before I call.
There was named Iwotubu after Obaseki. No, wow. This is commendable.
Yeah, let us reverse here. Make we enter Mogo Ekenwa Road. Yeah, we want to enter Ekenwa Road. Okay, we don't reverse from Iwotubu Market Road. So let's go to Ugbioko area so that now see the way they fly, you see the way they fly, follow the road. Before now you can't fly and why
No,
you
you can't
fly?
say it. Now they talk so now.
So take keke na 100 naira from here to market. But now 15 naira, they will beg for passenger.
Because now to leg and they go straight.
That is straight they go with because I mean.
He just do me like say make I call my friend. Say, oh boy, they don't do na road though.
Where is the real friend there?
He did. Make I call her for 4.
You want buy a recharge car, you want to call her. What it be that? I better not call her anymore.
He go shout. I see the gutter. Wow.
See the gutter. Then they come out and they go.
Yeah.
So this is Iwotubu Market Road, and we want to enter. I don't forget this junction again.
This will be our
No, again, you
Asoro.
Asoro be this. So,
you know, be say Obaseki don't marry, eh?
what you for happen?
I forgive her, my sister.
Your sister? I know hear that one, no. Table where you want shake this evening, I know hear that more.
I must beg, IC Road. I appreciate the governor for making effort to fix that road. But the work done there was so substandard, especially the TV road.
Those one see for me, not worry. Oh my brother, she got her.
Wow.
Yeah, this will be a road now. This is Ugbioko Road. Oh boy. God bless the working governor. Yeah. This will be Ugbioko Road. The job is going on.
Apostle, Donaldson.
Yes.
He said, please, you need to check Uteba Road. It's very bad.
Where do you tell Baruch?
Where Uteba Road? Where is Uteba Road? Please kindly comment back. Where be Uteba Road?
Oh boy. So we will continue to be given an update by the grace of God, and let's see how it goes. It's a promise, and we'll continue to keep to the promise. That's what we're promising and say we're giving an update of all the projects. Small, we will move. So we don't carry our machine, bicycle, enter able to again, right? Oh boy. Where this also power line they go? Like be this?
Yes. Understand? This is why I went crossroad, so Naimo.
Where did the car they go? Now wow. So this one Agbeyoko. This one at the area where some people call it jump. You don't campaign jump for 8 years. Nothing.
Okay, you say we just passed Uteba now.
Where out about day? If I just pass and where?
The first street before where or after where? The first street before where or after where?
Wow.
All right, so for us, we think beyond thinking though. We know that the governor that have started this project have the Edo people at heart, and waiting we need to do now to see how we'll take journey together to maintain the project. I know say many times one of the major projects when we get for our country, now maintenance. That's why we now say for even federal, they say they won't use 81 million to go clear stadium where people supposed to use the train.
The locker. Nobody they train for
that. They say they won't go use 81 million to clear.
It's them to park car, go there, and go shop the grass.
You don't understand? Okay. They say Uteba by the left after forestry department.
Okay. I know the place now.
Okay, don't correct. Say by your right. Okay, who is saying by your right? I don't understand.
I'm a video man. I saw this. Oh boy, see the work. God bless this governor. Lord, help this governor to finish this project he has started. Give him grace. They will tell us where the hurry they go just now. Yeah, they home. They will tell me where the hurry they go. Impatient. Later on, they cause when I go see governor they walk. But I'm not be patient. Oh boy.
Now they see.
When I see tractors. They want to transfer concrete enter the underground sewage, underground drainage, sorry. Wow.
So the work is ongoing.
This will be okay. The work is going very fast. Very fast.
I appreciate the governor for this, and we also seize this opportunity to draw your attention to other parts too when need this kind of development. We also need this kind of development. I beg, make the governor carry in bulldozer. Make they go there, make them start work too. Why? Because
but they don't leave.
Yeah,
script here. Those with me on road. Father, give this governor strength, wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Say, I'm gonna say,
they already
finish this good work.
And they say so. They run the script already. So they will do the final lay. So, governance is not easy, to be honest. It's not easy, but when you have the right people on your team, you will do the right thing at the right time. And this now waiting make Edo State different from other states. Now see the project when we first show now today. The Igosa Gully erosion. That one, when they open people out tire. This is now why we say we must have people in leadership that understand priority. People in leadership that understand priority. They will know, okay, fine, see what we need to do now. See what we don't need to do now. And we know, say, the people of Ubioko, they will really, really appreciate the Obaseki-led administration for this beautiful work when you don't carry. Come meet them so. Okay, you just passed it. Alright, no problem. Once we are going back.
Okay, so we don't pass the place.
Superstition the follows now. They say you are at power line now.
I be said I be me remove the GPS. Oh yeah, remove the GPS. Before they call say, oh yeah, Apostle Sidari, I'm gonna go meet her. No level, nothing they happen.
Yeah, we just passed power line now, yes.
So this Ubioko, the work is going. Before now, if rain fall, you can't come to there.
And one beautiful thing about Obaseki, you say,
you know they make noise.
No. Like within that the project site manager for Igosa talk, he said he has never been here. You can imagine that. Why it's not supposed to be there? Why? Because he get competent people when they do the job. So what they do is they come back and give reports. They cannot be everywhere.
And that's why some of us they move to supervise by showing what they are doing, ask questions, and wow.
So this is commendable for the Edo people, not just people within Igbiyoko. For the Edo people, Guy Francis, I call the fear you. So you are going towards Igbiyoko market.
No, wait. You they use drone, they monitor me. I don't understand though, Guy Francis. I will make a look up, we make a define the drone. Where Francis they monitor me, they go. Yeah. I just trust God. Let's just keep praying. Let's keep praying. You know, you can never experience a mega city when there is no peace. So please, all we need right now in Edo is peace, so that we can enjoy the dividend of democracy. Making Edo great cannot be great in an atmosphere of rancor, in an atmosphere of strife. Oh, so now the market be this. Francis, now the market be this. Oh.
Alright, one Dean Osaze Irabo.
Yeah.
Say, Apostle, that Baptist High School flood needs attention. Sorry, excuse me.
Where be that?
Baptist High School.
Okay. Yes.
Say it needs attention, and if IC Road has drainage, it can assist a whole lot to channel the water.
Yeah, that's what they are doing in Testament Road now. That's why they have that underground drainage in Testament Road to connect those floods. Because there's an underground drainage in TV Road. So now just to connect them now.
Okay. So now they see for ourselves how the working governor they don't carry bulldozer. They come put for Ekenwa Road. Say, I made the people of Ekenwa Road, make them too, make them start to enjoy fully the dividends of democracy. Make them start to also see say this area to feel they more bright and exposed than the likes of Airport Road, the likes of Sapler Road. The way those places open because they get good road. at least if they fit finish this road, it go help ease our means of transportation.
Let's just go gile now.
Okay, so it go help ease means of transportation, because we don't forget say transportation get very high stake for societal development. Why? Because everybody they move their products, their produce from one point to the other, and once the road bad, that means the cost of transportation go high, and once cost of transportation high, you go tell back on the goods, and once you tell on the goods, wetin we suppose buy for 15 naira, we go buy am for 130 or 150. Why? Because they go add money for transportation put.
You know, say where grandpa people don't increase fuel now. We say everything now they increase.
No, you don't reduce. Come on, 5 naira.
I beg you, don't. Who shall be reduced? It's there, where they. Forget that who they deceive. You know, say grandpa Bubu now.
But not be now Bubu fault again. Don't come on, 5 naira.
Forget that grandpa Bubu is a professional deceiver. Forget that thing. Yes, so. And all the people who surround that, they're all deceivers, they're all liars.
But not be fault now again. You don't come on 5 naira now.
We shall be 5 naira. 5 naira, which 5 naira can 5 naira buy pure water? Pure water na 10 naira.
5 naira times 5 million people.
Forget that. Okay, that they collect from us. Then they collect them from us. That friend, okay. Is my friend.
Since Apostle say, President Bubu, say instead of you come out 20 naira, you go come out 5 naira.
It's about come out 15 naira.
Say the 5 naira, I might walk.
I'm not a praiser.
I will just say, if we praise us more, you go
praise waiting.
You go use the church mind.
Which church mind? I'm Muslim now. Why they say church mind? Don't talk that, you know. Be careful though.
Sorry, sir.
To be that.
Okay. President Bubu, Kuku carry come on 5 naira. More you know say I say you just did day.
That's right now.
Me you know to say if you deceive us.
Let deceiver.
You can't be deceived again.
Grandpa Bubu and the red are strong deceiver.
Sorry, sir. We can't be deceived again. But I don't clear. We don't go eat the fruit when we're not supposed to eat. Yeah. Our eye don't clear.
Our eye don't clear.
Alright, so kudos to the Edo State Governor Obaseki, for this beautiful work. Please, we want to use this medium to please request that this kind of emancipation continue. Yes, because for us, we'll call it emancipation. This kind of work continue. I beg. Not just in Benin City.
All over the state.
But within the 3 senatorial districts.
Very, very important.
As we do for Edo South, make we do for Edo North, make we do for Edo Central.
Let's say we need to go hire helicopter to carry us go that region.
Very true.
We need to carry helicopter go outside.
Very, very true.
Carry helicopter go Edo North, go South Central to make smoke, see what they happen for those areas. And they will try and move around all the local government. Very, very important.
So that we'll call the governor. If maybe after the next 4 years, maybe we'll just give her like 35 or 100.
Huh?
I say maybe.
What do they talk? 35?
I say maybe. Yeah, if not, we'll give her 35 or 25.
What do they talk? And they talk of 100%.
No.
Yes.
No, it's not possible.
100%.
We can no.
I beg you. If you don't give, I'll give 100%.
No. Yeah, I know why.
Don't worry. If you don't give,
as they may just continue to try and best. They continue to try and best. Then after, they don't do like 3 years. We're gonna open a score sheet for us. Say, Epa,
see how far.
You have done so well, and this is your grade.
What's the grade?
By then we'll come know the grade.
Okay.
After we don't accumulate all the projects.
What you call maybe if you buy like this thing for a Pure Haven.
Pure Haven. Okay. No, you don't need anything.
Any Pure Haven. Yeah.
Thank you very much. And Don Kelvin, Obaseki is the best governor in Nigeria.
Yeah, of course.
You can say it over and over again.
Keep saying it.
Nobody could follow us again. Why? Because his election alone is the best election in the history of elections in Nigeria. For the very first time, the Edo people came out in mass, undermining our regions.
Well, they don't grade on this side though.
Yeah. Undermining our regions, the Edo people came out in mass to ensure that they secure the Osadebe Avenue for Obaseki to come in for a second tenure. Why? Because he don't prove up for a first tenure, so he get the capacity to lead. And the election alone, when carry so many propaganda, so many rumors saying now so this, now so that. But the Edo people say like Edo State.
The tribunal case is dead on arrival.
No.
How you feel with it?
And the tribunal now, they make it no be like say they no go court. Then be the tribunal so. So una dey see am for una self. Una dey see am for una self.
Man, when you dey fast, just as the fast they go now, when you dey quick deploy more materials to site. And we need to go do fasting and prayer, make rain not fall, because we don't want hear pain for this project.
No, it must finish.
You must be phone call.
Even though say rain for me, they use canopy. It must finish.
How canopy want to cover? When I see the way we they drive, follow the road now. Yeah, this will be cool. Yeah.
Okay. Joy Iruere, she said Obaseki is my president.
Yes, so I support 100%. Banga. The table way some of them want to shake this evening. I do.
Okay. One Evans is asking, where is this place?
This is Ugbioko now. We are going to Gelegele Seaport.
This is Ugbioko.
Yeah, we are going to Gelegele Seaport. But we are not going there today.
Now this road now lead to
Gelegele Seaport.
The Gelegele Seaport.
We dey up by K1 now, Ugbioko. Now this always say, throw your future.
Maybe this like seriously. Yanakanama. Yeah. Like seriously, okay. Alright, so now the see they don't open the walk, reach this area. Open the walk, reach this area.
Wow.
Now I know say in the next 1 year,
I don't know
which of us will turn Edo State to? No.
You'll be like Fimo.
I know. Because the man already is not a politician.
A technocrat.
And is not expecting any political appointment from anywhere. So you know they do it to please you. They do it because now we see if I enjoy to they do.
Let's support him. He was a kid in our prayer, he need our support, he need encouragement to finish this work.
Okay, but you say
Man, I see the slab for the what happened for the.
Okay, you can see
how. I've been show the slab in the Sam.
They don't cast them.
Yes.
Not cast them already.
Yes.
These are the slabs.
I mean this so. These are the company yard. They don't cast. This is the yard. They don't cast everything down. That's the yard. So.
My daddy have farm in Gelegele side. We don't do the road too now. That's why we are doing the road, so that once dad don't feel farm finish, you know, take anything to carry and produce come town. God will see our people's governor through any form of evil plan, be it tribunal cases or
cancel
or in-party enemies, in Jesus' name.
They are dead on
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Dean Osaze Irabo. Thank you, sir. Thank you so very much, sir. This now waiting. We need to build our state.
Yes, so
unity. Understand unity of purpose. If you can understand unity of purpose, we go feel achieve them. So instead of castigating, if you know say you know any area when the governor never work, please
just
bring
let
it out.
us know. We'll carry bicycle. Go
You
there.
understand? The governor can't be everywhere. Sure, not get. It can be everywhere. Just let us know and.
Oh boy, who's the building
I
for? Yeah.
It's a conference for wedding.
Oh, okay. Now social conference and wedding here on the building. Now not go build company.
An event center.
Now social event. Oh, Apollo, why big company?
Okay, welcome, Mrs. Blessing. Ao. Keep up with the good work, sir. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma. Hey, Mato, sister.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, Mato.
I hope you're fine.
Yeah.
And I hope
God is going to collect money for buying for machine hand now.
Blessing a ticket to go.
Okay, ticket people.
A ticket to go. A ticket.
Okay. Oh.
All right, Ambassador Kate. Good day as well. Good afternoon. Oh, no be.
Yeah, na Spirit Alive. Oh.
Oh.
Mama, powerful woman. This is Spirit Alive.
No, Mama Church be the Spirit Alive. When died 2 days ago, so. Oh.
This is where me and so rest in peace. 2020 was a terrible year. We pray for this year never to come back again.
She said she don't go meet Jesus.
Yeah, this Barak area now.
And Barak area be this. So the walk, the stretch, the commons area.
Walk
as well.
they go, my brother. They would walk for front after Barak.
Okay.
Close to Barak. I just want to make we reach that place. I just pray make gas not finish for this helicopter. I mean, no go hang us for road.
For up. You have to use Bluetooth now.
Yeah, I beg look for infrared.
We use Bluetooth to come down.
Me not go hang for air. I don't feel charged.
Alright, so now they see the update on the Kenwa Road, Buyoko, when we carry our bicycle they enter today, and we say we'll give an update. We don't give an update before, and this is now the second phase of the update on this road. And making it up be like say as we give the first one before, we just go rest. Maybe Obaseki too. Obaseki and the contractor they just carry their caterpillar or their bulldozer enter house. Now we say Moku can't take the governor unaware. Why? Because he's saying be wake and sleep.
No, wake and sleep. Which one be wake and sleep?
Okay, no verse. I didn't wake and sleep.
Come. You are becoming what? It's wake and sleep, not wake and sleep.
Okay.
Be careful. Don't talk to my governor like that, though.
No.
What was that?
You know, say if person wake up, he go still go sleep back again.
This one I wake and see. You wake and you see good thing.
Okay. So as he say be wake and see, then we say okay, maybe we'll come and see. So you understand. So we no call and say we come here. We take our own away. And as we reach here,
They walk for front.
yeah. And as we reach here, we were so excited. Say wake and see governor. Don't make us proud. Now the some light see this.
Yes, now some more like they come some.
I don't understand that project.
Wow.
The way they carry that project for head,
Governor, they want fade that be this year come up so. I mean, not even feel clear in front of their barrack.
they will soon.
I mean, when I come ground and barrack, see we think crowd don't come on a barrack.
My head starts protest in the front.
That French, you know, this white friend. They know they do here now. See now. So, you see now. This, you see the road is going.
Yeah.
So, now here we go reverse, so make gas no go finish for helicopter.
When they up.
Where they up, because if you hang for up, we know if you come down.
My man.
So, my people, this is the update for today. And God bless all of you now. When I do well, when I still follow this broadcast this afternoon, and we'll continue to play our role. My name is Chidime Apostle Alfred Otokamasibi. I'm a lover of good things. So, and all we need to do, the Bible says, those that know what is good and towards it not, to them is a sin. So, me, I know one day part of committing sin. Since I see what the government is doing, then we go encourage them to make sure say things go well as it's supposed to be. My people, when I do well, God bless all of you now. We will see you later.
Now wey you don see the work wey the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki dey do for Ekenwan Road, abeg help us share this video make other people for still see am. And before you go, try make you subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.